Hello there! Welcome back to day 12 in our online reading tutorials for children. This is Teacher Len and so glad that you're here. So are you ready, kids? Okay, so let's begin. Lessons for today: learn the letter O and L. Match the picture with the correct beginning sounds of O and L. Okay, so this is letter O. Big letter O and small letter O, and the sound is A. A. Say it. A. Okay, so can you give example of word or object that begins with the sound A? For example, orange. The orange is round. A. Orange. Okay, now can you give your own example at the count of 3? Ready? Say it aloud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Very good. Fireworks for you. Okay, so let's read these words. Sound it first with the sound A. Ready? Read with me. A. Octopus. A. Oblong. A. Onion. A. Ocean. Okay, now it's your turn. Sound it first. Ready? Begin. Good job. Very good. Next. Sound the letters. Let's read. A. B. Ob. A. T. At. A. A. K. Ok. A. G. Ug. A. P. Up. A. S. Us. A. F. Off. Now it's your turn. Ready? Begin. Sound it first. Begin. Very good. Okay, so let's read the words here. Let's sound it first. B. At. But. Next. P. At. Pot. Next. G. At. Got. Next. D. At. Dot. Okay, it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Alright, good job. Okay, let's do this activity. Match the word with the correct picture. Okay, so you can use your pointing finger and match them. Okay, you can pause this video if you need more time. Start now. Okay, let's check. The number 1, octopus. Here. Oblong. This one. Orange. Onion. And ocean. Are your answers correct? Wow, super. Okay, next letter is letter L. Big letter L and small letter L. And the sound is L. L. Can you say it? L. L. Okay, now let's read these words with pictures. Sound it first. L, lion. L, ladybug. L, ladder. L, leaf. L, lamp. Okay, now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Next. 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 Good job. Okay, so letter O sound as A and letter L sound as L. Can you sound it? Ready? A, begin. Once more. And letter L, sound it. L. Okay, so let's read these words. L, ot, lot. Sound it. L, ot, lot. L, og, log. Again. L, og, log. Okay, read it your own. Again. Next. Again. Good job. Okay, now let's do this activity. Give the beginning letter sounds of the pictures below. It's either letter O or letter L. We're going to write the letters here, the beginning letter sounds. Okay, you can use your paper and write your answers there. Okay, start now. Okay, so let's check. Number 1, it's letter O, orange. Number 2, letter L, leaf. 3, ladybug. Number 4, octopus. And 5, onion. Are you correct? Wow, good work. Very good. You're doing a great work today. So that's it for now. Okay, our lessons tomorrow. And be sure to come back again here tomorrow. Bye.